In 2015, there was a news which really marked our mind. The news said 70% students find it hard to find their first job. That really struck our mind. Why? Why is that? 70%? That means 3 out of 4 students having difficulties to get the first job. That is such a high number. So we want to know why. So we triggered a research. So in our initial research, we saw 80% of those 70% students, they are working on coffee shop, bar, restaurants. So they were working to earn. And when they graduate from the school, almost all of them find it hard because they are lost in the career. And when they're going to job interview, they find themselves don't have the right skill set to represent to the future employers. And another 20% of the students are working on professional internships. So now we thought that maybe they are gonna do very good as well too. So we go and conduct more with those 20% who are working on a professional internship. Professional internship means they're working on HR internship, finance internship, sales internship, marketing internships, and so on. And then we find out that 80% students who actually finish a professional internships don't know how to perform the task. That means they have finished their internship, they got the certificate, submit the certificate to the school, and don't know how to perform the task. That really triggered our mind. Why? They have finished the internship, but why they're not able to do that? Other 20% of the students, of that 20% students, they know how to perform the task. That was another good side. Why? So then we need to know why it's happening. And then we find out these 80% of the students who are not allowed to do any real work related to the business. So most of them was doing something like a support work. They were scheduling meetings or ordering coffee shop for the boss, booking the meeting rooms, sometimes bringing the product to the customer. They were not allowed to do anything real project related to the business. It was easy internships or a lot of manual activities inside the office, like hands and legs job. But these 20% of the students who were allowed directly inside the business, and they were working every day to do one thing. They were working every day to learn things, and that makes the difference. So in outcome of the research, we saw this one, highly skilled and employed after graduates. That means the student who become highly skilled and immediately got employed after graduation has this 4th thing. They have the skills to perform the task. They have working in real projects during the internships. And they have, after graduation, when they go to the interview, they have projects to show success to the future employers during the interview period of time. And the last one, they have confidence because they've been working real projects and work. So when it's talking about new tasks to be done in the interview board, their answer is, yes, I can do that because I have did it. And similar kind of project I worked with my previous employers, and this is what it is they look like. And real published projects they can show. And that makes the difference. So we wanted to solve this problem. We wanted to create those skilled graduates who get immediately employed. And that's why we've created our program called Pro Internships and Pro MT program, where this intern, a position, can work on real projects, and they can do a tons of exercise every day during these projects, and they can build their skill and profile bank during the internships. So immediately after graduating, they have all of them for themselves to thrive forward and build a career. But is it for you? I want to tell you upfront. If you're looking for easy internship, you just want a certificate, you are not a proactive person. You want to learn like a classroom. You want short-term internships. You cannot manage yourself. This is not for you. This is where you cannot become successful, and this is definitely not for you. And if you are sadly on this one, you need to change yourself anyway, because if you want to get employed after graduation, you want to get a job where you can build a career. And this internship is for you if you want to learn fast and deep. You want to do a tons of exercise you want to do. You want to build a career. You want to turn this internship to a career. And you are a proactive person. You want to learn by doing and getting feedback to improve every day. You love feedback because every feedback you receive, you can get 1% better every day. You want long-term internships and you want to develop a career. You want to turn this internship to your career. You want to manage yourself every day and you love doing this one. So when I'm asking all this question is about, then let me go back to one question. Do you think you have the high interest and desire and attitude to become successful about these 5 factors? And if your answer is, yes, I'm ready, I want to be successful, then this is the internship program for you, Pro MT program. Apply right now, healthrevolution/pro career, and our team will love to have a conversation with you and put you for success. All the best, and we're looking forward to see your application.